Hello everyone and welcome back to Phone Edge with Rahul. Google has always been a top priority for me, maybe for the latest updates or the clean UI or one of the best cameras. Thanks to some of the detailed renders and photo leaks, we have a good idea of what this phone will look like. It doesn't throw up too many surprises, but it's worth mentioning that the given dimensions suggest that it's slightly smaller than the Pixel 3a. The Google Pixel series has stuck to the same naming convention since its inception. With that in mind, there's little doubt as to the name of the upcoming mid-range entry in the series. Outside of some crazy situations arising, it's a safe bet that we'll see Google Pixel 4a launched as Google's next mid-range. However, the display, while not edge to edge, cuts down the forehead and chin of the 2019 phone, so the display is likely to be larger. Google Pixel 4a is an upcoming smartphone by Google. The phone is rumored to come with 5.81-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixel at a pixel density of 443 pixels per inch. Google Pixel 4a comes with 6GB of RAM. The 4a is rumored to run Android 10 and is expected to be powered by 3080 mAh non-removable battery. The Google Pixel 4a supports proprietary fast charging. It's said to be a 60Hz display and thought to be OLED. The resolution is the expected 1080p, which should be just fine on this size of device. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Google Pixel 4a is rumored to pack 12.2 megapixel camera. It is expected to sport a 8 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. Google Pixel 4a based on Android 10 and packs 64GB of inbuilt storage. It is said to launch in black color. It bears a plastic body too. Connectivity options on the Google Pixel 4a are said to include Wi-Fi, GPS, USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone are rumored to include accelerometer, compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor and fingerprint sensor. So I don't know how excited you guys are about but I'm really excited and eagerly waiting for the launch of Google Pixel 4a. The specs do look amazing and the design as well. So let's hope to see it as soon as possible. Guys, please like the video, share it as much as possible and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Comment your opinions and stay tuned with Rahul on Phone Edge.